Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Reversible data hiding in encrypted images with secret sharing and hybrid coding. Next, we discuss about abstract. Reversible data hiding encrypted images RDHEI is an essential data security technique. Most RDHEI methods cannot perform well in embedding capacity and security. To address this issue, we propose a new RDHEI method using reminder theorem based secret sharing and hybrid coding. Specifically, a hybrid coding is first proposed for RDH to achieve high embedding capacity. On the content owner side, a novel iterative encryption is designed to contact block based encryption for perfectly preserving the spatial correlation of original blocks in the encrypted blocks. Then the CRTSS with the constraints is exploited to generate multiple encrypted image shares in which spatial correlations of the encrypted blocks are also preserved. Meanwhile, the CRTSS provides good security properties for the proposed method. Since there is strong spatial correlation of the blocks of each share, the data hider can exploit the proposed hybrid coding to perform data embedding, the improving capacity. On the receiver side, even if someone shares are corrupted or missing, the original image can be lossless recovered as long as enough corrupted marked shares are obtained. Experiment results show that the proposed method out state of the art methods, including some secret sharings based methods in terms of embedding capacity. Next, we discuss about flow diagram. Then start the admin. Then use login or register. If the user should register before login, if you are new user, that's only you are doing this registration process. User register like the details, name or username, password, confirm password. And next, image selection. Sender wants to store image, we should select the image from local repository. After the selection, we can visualize the selected image. Then the image will be used to the encryption process. Next, encoding and decoding. It uses the base 64 alphabet specified for the encoding decoding operation. The encoder does not add any line separated character. Decoder rejects that data that contains the characters outside the base 64 alphabet. Next, encryption image. The selected image will be encrypted here using advanced encryption standard. It means AES algorithm. AES has never been cracked yet and it's safe. Next, key generated. The secret key. An admin can generate the key for image. Admin can generate the key to the manager. Next, decrypted image. Receiver can view the encrypted image from the storage and receiver can select the decrypted and encrypted image. Storage. We can store the encrypted and decrypted images. Next, we start about our project. The project name is Reversible Cryptography. The home.java is our first page. Then right click, hit the run file. Reversible data hiding in encrypted images with secret sharing and hybrid coding. This is our home page. Click next button. Then user login page. If you new user, then click sign up. Enter username, user, password, user, confirm password, and put email ID. And then put phone number also, and then click registration. Successfully updated to the database, and then click OK button. If you re-enter the username, if you forgot any password, then click forgot password button. If you enter the username, enter the email ID, click the forget password button or you forgotten password. Okay, enter the new password. If you show, then click show buttons. Updated password, record is updated. Okay, then click re-enter the username and password. If you show password, then click show password and then click sign in button. Login successfully. Next, image selection process. Select choose image, open the directory and then selected the image 3.jpg and click the open button and click the view. This is the image and then click encryption process. Click the request button, then request send to key generator and then click OK button and then run the key generated file and then the key generation in encryption page and then click the view request button. This is the requesters for the cloud user 3. This is our new user, then can validate user and yes is the validate user. So generate the encryption key, then secret key generated and then the send key for the page. Get key, then key generation key, encryption key sent to the user. Encrypted image, click the encrypted image. File encrypted successfully. Click the OK button. Encrypted image. This folder is store the images and this image is converted to the text format. Decryption, then view the decryption, then user 3 is the our new encryption. So get the get key and then click the decrypted image. The decrypted file is successfully decrypted and then click the OK button. Again we will show the decrypted. This is the decrypted of the original image.